Listen, I made another $14,000 since I posted my last video a couple days ago. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how super simple it is to make money online in 2024. What I really want to elaborate on is how a regular person can get into this online space and make money as a beginner. Welcome back. It's your favorite girl Candace with another video. You already know what to do. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, as well as ring the bell so you guys can get notifications every single time that I upload. And of course, give this video a thumbs up to show some support to your girl. So with that being said, let's get it. Your girl's being consistent. My goal is to post at least 2 times a week, and I think that I'm getting there. So your girl's back on her YouTube game. But guys, listen, I made another $14,000 since I posted my last video a couple days ago. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how super simple it is to make money online in 2024, all from your smartphone. Don't question my background, it's motivation. I put this fat on here so I can lose weight and work on myself. Sometimes we gotta be real to ourselves and talk bad to ourselves in order to motivate. I don't know if that's just y'all, but that's me. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. What I really want to elaborate on is how a regular person can get into this online space and make money as a beginner. And it's not just for beginners, it can also be for people who are already making money online, who want to add more income or try a new income stream. But definitely this is beginner friendly, and it's stay home mom and or dad approved. And I know this because I'm a stay-home mom and I work with a lot of stay-home moms and dads. Even if you're not a stay-home mom, don't feel like you're not included if you're not a parent. This is really for anybody who wants to make money online and have more time for themselves. So I'm gonna break it down in 3 easy steps on how you can start making money today from your smartphone, doing simple things you're already doing. Let's first cover the things that you need in order to make money online, because I know a lot of people get misconstrued and feel like intimidated that they have to have all of this equipment, they have to have a laptop, they have to have these high-end devices and content tools and stuff like that, like a studio. No, you don't need any of those things. Really, all you need is a smartphone. You don't even need a computer. I mean, a computer, you can if you want to make things a little bit easier for yourself as far as like editing things goes, or responding to messages or copywriting, stuff like that. But for the most part, everything I do is all from my phone. Next is you need at least 2 hours a day to spare. Really, the beauty of this business model is that it does not require much of your time at all. You just need to be able to set 2 hours a day at least to spare to work on your online business. It's just like, it's not a job, but it's kind of like a job, because if you don't show up, you don't get paid, right? So if you're not showing up in your business at least 2 hours a day, obviously there's not going to be money. You gotta put time and energy into it in order for it to pay you and make you money in return. So again, a smartphone, you need 2 hours a day to spare. And with this specific business model that I'm with currently, that I'm going to be talking about in this video, you do need to be in the United States. Now, in the future, am I going to have more programs that's available worldwide? Yes, I will have more things. I actually have something coming in the works here in the next couple months. But for now, the program that I specifically am talking about right now, you do have to be in the United States. And the last requirement is the ability to copy and paste. Literally, the business model that I'm with, everything is pretty much given to you. It's a turnkey business where all you got to do is copy and paste and fill in the blanks and pretty much plug everything in. You just have to have that simple skill of being able to copy and paste, being able to read information and watch videos. Like, really, that's really what it comes down to as far as skill. You don't need a degree, you don't need any experience. You just need to be able to follow simple directions, be able to copy and paste. And if you meet those 4 requirements, then you have the full ability to start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars weekly, all online. Because again, In 2024, it's the easiest it's ever been to make money online, just based off the simple fact that there's so many different social media platforms and there's so many ways to reach so many people, millions of people organically without having to pay for ads, having to put money into the business. Now to get into the meat and potatoes, there's so many different business models to make money online, and the one that I specifically do and that makes the most money with the least amount of time and that is most beginner friendly is digital affiliate marketing. And this is why I say it's beginner friendly and super simple. Is one, you don't have to go out and create your own digital products or start your own business and try to find something that will do well. You have to find a winning product or winning service and try to get exposure to it and grow that business from the ground up. You're literally taking somebody else's business that's already thriving, taking what they have to offer and promoting for their digital products online for a percentage or a profit. And you won't believe how many businesses out there that have this program, this affiliate program where you can promote their digital products online and receive a percentage. A lot of companies out there have, physical products like TikTok shops where you can get access or get a product from a random store on TikTok shop, make some content for it and get a percentage of the sales. Like Amazon Storefront, which is a really popular one right now where people are getting products off of Amazon, creating content for it, and obviously getting percentage when people purchase that product. I personally like digital products. That's why I do digital affiliate marketing, because with digital affiliate marketing, people get that digital product instantly. There's no period of time where they have to wait to get that product or return it back, or you have to rely on the company you're promoting for to fulfill that order. A lot of room for errors. With digital affiliate marketing, they can just download that digital product that you're promoting for. So step one is to find a company that offers a digital product that has a high payout and it's something that people need, that's already a thriving business and a successful industry. And I'm going to be giving you guys mine that pays me over $20,000 a month, that not only allowed me to become a stay-at-home mom, but the thing that I'm most proud about is the fact that so many people are duplicating my success. So many people are duplicating other people's success. There's so many people in this company, in this industry, that's making hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars yearly with the same exact company. And the company that I promote for is a company called MyEcon. MyEcon offers a digital product that people need year round. It's not a trend where, right now everybody's on this latest thing. It's something that people need every single year and people will never not need, which is credit repair. They offer a digital product, which is a credit repair kit, as well as financial education, travel discounts, things that people are going to need yearly. Think of statistically, how many people have a negative item on their credit report? How many people yearly more are people going to start having negative items on their credit report? That's something that will never go out of business, something that's in extreme high demand, and it's more common than not. There's 1 out of 3 people in the entire America that has at least one negative item on their credit report. This company has a proven to work, high demand digital product that is not just a trend, but it's a solution to people's problems. If there's any advice that I can give to anyone out there is if you want to have a successful business, you have to have a solution to common problems. If your product or your digital service does not solve any problems, it's just a desire, then that is a trend. And my friend, that business will not last as long. It will be replaced and recycled. But if you're solving people's problems every day, then that's a business that will last you a lifetime. And the reason why I am promoting for this company is because they have the highest payout. Most affiliate programs pay out only 5 to 30% at max. This company pays out 100%. So whatever people are paying for that digital product, you're getting 100% of. Not just that, you're also getting residual income where you're going to get paid every single month on top of your weekly paychecks. Think of like Mariah Carey, for example, right? She came out with the All I Want for Christmas is You, baby. I never said I was a singer, okay? So give me some slack. But she makes millions of dollars every single Christmas because they play that song on repeat. So think of it like that. You're promoting this digital product online, and when people use this digital product, you're going to get paid for that transaction, and you're going to get paid every single month for that one time. You don't get just paid one time for that. You get paid every single month for that. And of course, you have to get access to the digital product yourself. So you have to become a member yourself as well, which currently is only $39.95. The cheapest business you will ever have, because it includes everything, literally everything, from your own personal link to the digital products itself that you can use yourself. So if you have things on your credit, you can of course use it. If you know anybody that needs it, they can use it as well. And no, you don't need to know anything about credit repair, financial education, or travel discounts. That's literally what the company is for. You're, again, just becoming an affiliate for the company. You are sharing the digital product and connecting the people that need it to the company that provides it. Everything is given in the program. I know that's one thing that people feel like they have to be an expert in what they're selling online. That's not true at all. Like, you just need that's the whole point of you becoming an affiliate, because you don't have to do the work, right? So no, you're not doing the credit repair, the financial education. You're literally just connecting that product to a world of market of people that need it, which is a huge demographic of people who need it. Step 2, creating content for that digital product. Now, that goes without saying, and it's just standard business. If you're going to be in business for yourself, you have to advertise that business, right? Regardless of what it is. If there's no way around it. I know people think, oh, I just want to sign up and then make money. That's not how it works in the real world. Even when you go work for a job, even if you're not on the end of sales, or you're not on the end of marketing for that business, and you're just say you're like the customer service, that business is not going to thrive without sales, without transactions, without that marketing and getting it out there and getting people to purchase that. Like, yeah, you might be on the back end, but that business is thriving because there's clients coming in. So again, that's like you, but in a minier version. You're going into business for yourself, so you have to promote that digital product. But again, the best part about it and what makes this beginner friendly is that you're not creating the digital product. You're not fulfilling the digital product. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about business upkeep, have monthly bills to run your business. You don't have to worry about staff. You don't have to worry about any of those other factors. Your position is just to be the middleman, to connect people that need it to the company that provides it, right? So you're going to create content for that digital product. And guys, like I said, we provide everything for you, from copywriting of what to post, when to post, how to post on social media, and just basically everything you need in order to be successful. I literally post once a day on both my Instagram and my TikTok, sometimes on Facebook, and I can literally make a post, and that post, even if you're posting every single day, one post can carry me for months to come. I've had posts that have made me over $100,000 just from one post alone. So it's all about posting the right things. Again, we show you what to post. We literally walk you through everything. Is turnkey. You're literally just posting what we tell you to post and putting in the captions and what to do from there. But again, you're creating content for that digital product. And what makes it so much easier now in 2024 to make money than it was back then is because of this discoverability is just insane right now. When it comes to Reels and TikToks, it's all about reaching new people. That's how Reels are blowing up, because your Reels are reaching people other than the people that's following you. So if you're creating the right content, it's going to reach the right people, and when it reaches the right people, and in essence, it's going to bring more traffic to your business, making you more money. And if you'd ask me, I would much rather post once a day and make $2,000 or more a week than going to a job working 40 hours a week. I mean, that's me personally. It's really just comes down to your preference, but again, this has been beginner friendly and mom and dad stay-at-home person approved. Step 3 is watching the money just flow in, the deposits hit. As you're growing on social media for your digital product, you're going to realize that you're going to get the attention of more and more people. In essence, you're going to start growing yourself as well, and it's going to start bringing you more money. No, you don't need a following. No, you don't need to know anything about social media. Again, everything is given to you. I started with less than 30 friends on Instagram and Facebook. I was a teen mom. I didn't really know anything about social media. I was the last person people were interested to watch. I was boring as I wasn't an influencer, and I grew my social media because of my business, because of my posts, because of the strategies that I've learned and that I'm resharing with others, other people are seeing results and growing their following. So The cool thing about this is you can just grow the digital product, or you can turn into something more. You yourself can grow as a person, and it opens more doors, open more opportunity. Since I was able to grow my social media to 245,000 followers, I've gotten so many opportunities, so many people wanting to collaborate with me, being able to start other businesses, unlocking more doors to more income stream. It's the beginner, again, it's a beginner friendly into the online digital world to make money financially. Most people are on social media for fun. They're looking at videos, scrolling, messaging, like commenting on stuff, not realizing those same thing that they're doing, you can be doing that before a digital business, and it could be making you money. Me personally, I'm not posting on social media like just for the fun of it. I'm using social media to make money, and I feel like nowadays, especially how the world is and how expensive everything is and how inflation is, it's you kind of need a side hustle to make ends meet. But yeah, guys, you can start earning as soon as this week. You're already online anyways. The time that you spent watching me, you could have been posting and making money. So if you want to work with me specifically in my group, our Six Figures team, and learn specifically from me and grow online and start earning, then all you gotta do is click the link down below. It's gonna be in the description. And yeah, guys, I think that's it for this video. I don't want it to be too long. So with that being said, again, thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.